video. In this video I'm gonna share my experience with OnePlus Buds Z. Here it is. It is available on Amazon.in and OnePlus.in for 2,699 rupees during the sale, but now it is retailing for 2,849 rupees. So it is in white color. So here it says, and it is made in China. It says bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, seamless connection. First let's see what we get in the box. I have already used it for 10 days and I'll share my experience. Here it's Bud, the capsule. Buds for life. Red cable, USB Type-C charger, warranty card and book start guide. We get extra ear tips. That by default one doesn't fit your ears. Let's keep it aside and have a look over the buds itself. This is fully made of plastic, guys, as you can see. It shows green light, and even the hinge also is made of plastic, and it gives a nice sound when you close it. I have magnets over here. This is OnePlus. It's an indicator lamp. This is USB Type-C port and a pairing button, or you can use it for switching between plenty of devices. It even charges the buds. Here is the word. We have microphone. Oh, here's the sensor. I'll say what it means. This is the touch area. Touch sensitivity area. Same here. For pairing, open this case. We'll show you this white light. Turn on Bluetooth. It will show you available devices. That OnePlus Buds Z. Simply tap on it and it will pair it. Yes, I have already paired with my device. So when I will open it, pair OnePlus Buds Z. It will show battery life of the left bud, right bud and the case. It will pop up and show you the battery percentage. And this button is for pairing with another devices. Press this button for 3 seconds and it will pair with another device. I'll pair with my iPhone. Tap this button for 3 seconds. See, the white light will glow. Here it's paired OnePlus Z. It will show the green light. Now let's talk about the touch area. This is the touch area. It is available in both left and right bud. If you double tap while music is playing, if you double tap this touch area, it will go to the next track. The other functions, if you want to answer the call, double tap this and it will pick up the call. If you want to reject the call, press it for 5 seconds like this, and it will reject the call. If you want to hang up the call, double tap again. And even you can customize this by using a OnePlus app called Hey Melody. This Hey Melody. In this app, it shows the battery percentage and firmware updates, and even you can customize your word. For example, double tap your left word for a play or pause, previous, next, was assistant, etc. Now let's come to the good thing about these earphones. In terms of Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth 5.0. The range is excellent, guys. You will never have a problem with the range. And it says it is a flash proof, but don't take it to the swimming. It can survive with your sweat. And if you use it for gaming, it has very low latency, which is very good. Usually you don't get it for this price range. That's very low latency. And the buds, if you use the buds with 100% charge, it will give, if you use continuous, it will give 4 hours of battery life. And the case itself can charge 3 times the buds. Battery life, I think it is good. It can be 4 to 4.5 hours per charge. In terms of comfortness, it is way more comfortable. If you shake your ears very rashly, it will not fall also. It is tight in your ears and it is very comfortable. You may not notice that you have a bud. Now let's talk about the cons of this device. In this box they have mentioned bass boost. I think the people who like the bass, it will disappoint them because the bass is very flat. We Indians do like the bass very much, but bass is pretty flat in these buds. You may not like it. If you're a person who likes the bass, then this buds is not for you. Other than that, the mid-tones and the vocals are pronounced well, and it is very good. You may not get it at this price point. It is sounded very well. And in terms of higher tones, it is average, guys. You may not like it. It is pretty unnatural. And guys, note that in terms of how loud the buds go, in indoors it's okay, but outdoors it lags. You may find harder to hear it in outdoors. So that's the cons, guys. For the price point of 2,849, it is good. I would say that if you like more bass and budget friendly, then you go with Oppo Enco, which is for 1900 rupees. I will link it below. Thank you guys for watching this video.